Hey everyone, welcome to How to Experts. In this video, I will show you how to bypass 8 MB upload limit on Discord. So let's get started. First, open Discord on Google Chrome. Open a new tab and type compress MP4. Now choose MP4 compressor by Video Candy. From their website, press on Add File. Now choose the file name that you want to compress. We have chosen video. Now drag the video file onto the website. It will start uploading your file. Once this process is done, you can upload this compressed file, or you can also create a link for the video. Now open a new tab and search for file.io. Now press on the first option, file.io. It will take you to their website. Now press on Upload Files and choose the file that you want to upload. Once uploaded, you will find this option. Now either you can copy the link or the QR code. Here I'm going to copy the link. Right-click on the link option and press Copy. Now go back to Discord. Paste the file name. Now paste the link and send it to your friends. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share the video.